Hi everyone, I hope everything is well on your end. In this video, I'm going to share something different. It's not a tutorial actually. I'd like to share what I've earned so far on my online platforms, which is from my YouTube channel, my Udemy courses, and also my Unity Asset Store affiliate links. My intentions are not about bragging. In fact, there is nothing to brag about. Compared to a lot of other channels out there, I just want to show the truth for most of the struggling YouTube content creators out there. It is not all extravagant. And this is why perhaps most of the content creator still struggling to maintain upload within consistent schedules. Nonetheless, I'm very grateful, Alhamdulillah, for what I've earned so far. So here is the truth. So this is my earnings so far in YouTube. It is registered since 2007, but I started my channel at the end of 2013, and I have earned so far around $500, Alhamdulillah. And probably this is not as exciting as other channels that you've seen in the YouTube, and this is also because my RPM is quite low, but recently it increased. So yeah, this is related with the better video quality and also better engagement. I have to admit, on my earlier videos, the quality is very low actually. I didn't do any editing, I just want to share knowledge. And since last year, I started to edit my video. So I've got better engagement, higher subscription rate. So hopefully I can continue doing this because I really love to share tips and tricks, insights, tutorials in game development or any other skills that I know. And I'm quite proficient in 3D animations and also game development. Okay, so yeah, that is all about YouTube. Here you can see the monthly estimated revenue increase from February to this month. It increased every month. So yeah, it's a good sign. I hope it will increase more in the future. And for my Udemy course, so this is what I've earned so far as of July 23, 2020. But this revenue is since August 2018. So it's almost 2 years. So if you divide it by 24 months, it's not that much, but still I'm grateful, Alhamdulillah, for it. And last month was the best performing month so far because I released my latest new course, my third course in Udemy. And I got a lot of enrollment from my own promotion links. And this is my Unity Asset Store affiliate links performance. So I've been putting the links since mid 2017, and I have earned $124 so far. It's not that much, but Alhamdulillah, I can call this side earnings because I just put the links and I earn from how many people are buying assets from that links. I got a commission from each sales. So yeah, that is basically what I have earned so far from my online platforms. And I know it's not that much compared to a lot of other YouTubers that have been putting their earnings on their video. But I'm grateful, and I've got a lot of freelance gigs out of my online platforms from my YouTube and also from Udemy. I even got a 15-month freelance project that is almost like a full-time job last year, so I'm very grateful for it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and for all of you content creators that are still struggling, don't give up. Just keep create your content and try to increase the quality more than ever. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. See you on the next video.